Hello. Good day. This video shows you on how to set up the nature of offense in Gates EPS system, version 10.01.00.208. First, go to Maintenance menu. Select Reference File. Choose Nature of Offense and click. You will see the Maintenance of Nature of Offense list form. These are the list of nature of offense. To add an entry, just click a button. Then type the nature of offense that you want to add in the list. If you're already done, click Accept button to save a new record. And you will see the record added here in the list. To edit the record, just click Edit button. Then type the correct information that you want to change. After that, click Accept button to update the record. To delete the record, just select first the record you want to delete in the list. As you can see, the selected record must be highlighted. Then click Delete button. The confirmation form appears that are you sure you want to delete this entry? If yes, the record remove in the list. That's for all now. Thank you for watching.